Hey, what's up everyone, this is Mr. TECHFOX here and welcome to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy gun or pistol in Wanted game on Roblox. So this is pretty easy and simple. Normally, you have to open the map on your game. And to do that, normally just click on the map icon on the bottom left. And here you will get many pistol icon over here. And the name of it is Lock and Load Armory. There are 3 lock and load armory. Just normally you have to go on that location. So for example, I'll go a nearby location to purchase guns or pistols. So I'm selecting this one and now I'm going to that location. All right. So this is the location. Here you will get a square marker. Just come here and click on the E button to talk and choose what do you have in stock. And here they will show you weapons. Here is the explosive one. You can buy it with $1,000. But first of all, you have to unlock them. Make sure that you have unlocked. Here you will get various weapons. For example, pistol, M9, UGI, Model 870, UMP, AUG, and so many weapons over here. So this is the first step how you can purchase weapons in Wanted game on Roblox. So there are 2 different ways to purchase them. Another one is to purchase them in syndicate base, and another option is purchasing them from police station. So this is the default method how to purchase weapons in Wanted game. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. In another video, I'll show you how to purchase them from the syndicate base or any other location. Thanks for watching. If it helps, please subscribe to this channel. Thank you.